Gonna go outside and take some video of the storm damage. We may have some tiles off our roof. This was yesterday the scariest, most frightening storm we have seen. I think it was they don't know if it was a tornado that went over us or just a water spout from the lake. The winds were, they said, close to 80 miles an hour. You can see here, now this is our branches that fell. Some of them are pretty big, but wait till you see Jeff's branch. You have street signs down. Man, I don't see any missing roof shingles. I had our roof done by T-Rock. I did a lot of research and they had top reviews, general contractor in Fort Worth. That was about 8 years ago, maybe. Might be time for a new roof. This is Jeff, look at Jeff's tree. Holy smoke. That's how powerful the winds were yesterday. Look at what it blew down. It took off that trunk. That's not a branch, that's a trunk. Where'd it come from? You'd be dead if that hit you. It was crazy yesterday. You know what's funny? Most of it's over Jeff and mine house. There's not a lot of other. That thing went right over us. It was so loud you couldn't hear, like a train in your front yard. Oh, I gotta go turn the pool off. Shoot. Yeah. It's cold right now. It's freezing. I know the street sign is down by the golf course here. God protected us yesterday, because for a minute I didn't know what to do. We were racing home. Our truck got hit by a large something, but there's no damage, which is good. Down where that person's walking, the street sign is down. And the whole store collapsed. The marina's really damaged. The lake is just one street over, and across the lake it's a little finger of the lake is the marina and the boats, and the marina's really damaged. I'll be interested. I probably will have to go out there and hit golf balls today. I'm sure the range is closed because of the rain. We got a lot of rain. I gotta go turn the pool off and keep it off until I can clean it. It's funny, they cleaned the pool yesterday. I told my wife, it's always on Thursday. It's always the day they clean the pool. All right, boy, this is freezing. It must be 30 degrees. All right, so that's our branches. But Jeff had a big one. It's funny, it went right over our house last night. Scary. All right.